Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw the starters Pokemon from Hoenn region, the third generation of Pokemon franchise. First, change the background color to gray. Then create new layer for the rough sketch. Since the design are not complicated, you must sketch the correct proportion in this phase. Torchic and Mudkip have the bigger head than the body, and Treecko has a big size of leaf tail. When you are done with the sketch, time to make the outline. First, turn down the opacity of sketch layer to 40%. Then, create new layer for the outline. You can start anywhere you like. One thing you must pay attention is the details. Now the outline is perfect. Let's continue to color them. First, set the outline layer as reference. See the image above as example. Reference feature is needed for you to drop the mid-tone color in other layer, so you can coloring faster. Then, create one layer for one color only. See the image above as example. Start dropping the mid-tone color of the characters. When you are done, add one layer above each mid-tone color layer. See the image above as example. Now, pick the darker color for the shadow tone. Repeat this steps for the highlight tone color. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.